How to make Feels Dizzy Squared. I already did it on VideoPad and I didn't get to show you. First, let's open up Movies. If you have one or not, and that's okay. And the sound is getting turned off. Then press Wave Warp, Angle is 90. And then do the invert. Wave Warp. And then change the magnitude, whatever. And then do this face. Then let's fix it. System UI. Okay, gotta charge it. Then face. In another diamond.
What, Lincoln? I gotta go to Gammy's to get your get those eggs. You wanna ride up there with me?
No thanks, Mom. Let's preview it and see if I'm correct. Then I can go to KineMaster and do the color changer and the adjustment. Looks great, but not really. Then let's save it. Let's go to KineMaster Pro, the one I made. Then press Inlay Motion. Change the adjustment. Hue is 180. Effect, color changer. Color offset. Then hue is 180. Another one. Now I gotta overlay one video. X recorder 0. That's the video. Take that off. Correct. Okay, This is the result to make Feels Dizzy Squared. See you in the next video, guys.